Okay, so today we are going to have our sorry, we're going to have our project number one. Okay, for the project number one, we are just going to be playing with the creation of the project. Let me show you this whole thing here. Let me share my screen. Okay. So this is the project we have. And of course, this part is wrong, so I don't know what's going on, but anyway. So this will be the whole thing here will be finding the sum of the ones in a 32-bit word. Okay, so that is the main topic. Okay, but for this specific topic, we're just going to be doing some. We are going to write up a few functions, but we need to use a unit test to test those functions. Okay, and then to be able to do that, we had to be able to set up the project so that we have the project creation and the management task. And this part here is something we have been doing a couple of days, a couple of times, so should be okay with everyone. And this is something we did that before as well. And how to the management the system and the project. I think everyone should be able to do this. But anyway, I'm just going to be able to walk you through this one more time so that you're going to be able to get very confident with this whole thing here. This is a new part. This is a new part. So add a new build configuration so that we can do the unit test for this specific part. Okay. And one thing I'm using the screen sharing is that this whole thing here is disappears. Okay. So if you have any questions, if I don't reply your chat, and then just unmute and just say it. Okay. So just call my attention. Okay. And for this specific part, we are just going to be able to go through the details, how to create a new build configuration and how to set up the symbol so that we are going to be able to build the unit tests that execute automatically. I'm going to show you the details. Usually, we are going to have some algorithm tasks. So I give you an algorithm and you are going to be able to program the function using the algorithm. But today we don't have it because today I'm just going to give you some coding examples similar to that, and that can work as a certain algorithm. And Unity tasks. So sometimes we do have this. You are just going to be asked to do some programming to create some unit test cases. But right now we don't have that because this is our first project. And the program tasks, so we do have a couple. So we have the programming of the functions, and also we have the programming of app, a very simple app. Submission, so it's straightforward. Okay, so let's take a look at the creation of the project. For the creation of the project, okay, for the creation of the project, so this is the project folder I created. And of course, because I have the original project, I don't want to screw that up, so I just use another one here called a demo. And for you, everything here is provided to you already because I provided a zip file, so you should be able to have that. And if you want to use the F12 only here, you don't have to have this one here. But if you want to play with the debugger, you want to be able to have this folder as well. Let's say I just created this folder. I don't have anything yet. I don't have my IOC file yet. I just need to go to whatever file, such as this one here. This is the one I provided with you. Okay, this is a demo project. I just copy this and copy this IOC file, and then go back and then paste it here. Okay, I have this file already. Okay, I just need to double click this file. And then we're just going to save the project as a new one. So the new one will be the same as the new folder name. Okay, just a moment. So if you haven't done that yet, so just copy this file. Okay, almost there. So if you have any question, just ask. Okay. Okay, so we are here. First step, always go to File, Save Project As. Okay, Save Project, you see here. So everything is set up according to the folder. So that we're just going to save. And yes. So if I go back, you're going to be able to see that I have the new file. Okay, right now I can just remove this step here. Okay. Just remove this. Okay, I have this. Okay, this is a new one. Okay, everything is set up very well. Okay, I can just check to see if the project is set up good or not. Okay, basic. So there are two options. We just need to use a basic and Cube ID. Okay, do not check this one. Okay, right now we can just click this to generate the code. Just take a moment. IOC is not on canvas. Okay, in any demo project. Thank you. Okay, yeah, in any demo project. Okay, just open project. You see here, it's flashing, means this is, okay, this is imported already. Just click OK. So right now, I can just close this because I don't need that anymore. Okay, I go back to Cube IDE. The Cube IDE, so this is my project. This is the project we just imported. You see here, so this is a very short. If I take a look at this one here, you see here, this is the longer. Okay, so this is very short. I'm just going to be adding the folder right now. Okay, right click and then go to new, go to folder, and then just type always lib and store src source. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's the only folder we need to create for the source file. And then right now we are just going to create the links for the header files. Okay, go to okay, still right click, go to properties. Okay, automatically you are just going to open this C general path and the symbols. But sometimes it's too narrow. Okay, if it's wider, I'm able to see the include. Okay, we always want to use include first. Okay, to include the passes, add. So here, this will be the passes for the header files. Okay, check this, add to all configurations. So far, we have two configurations. That is the debug and the release. Okay, right now, just type // lib. Okay, that is for one folder. Do it one more time. Still, this include one more time. Check // src. Okay, those are the source files. Okay, click good. Okay, right now because we are talking about using a unit test. Okay, for the unit test we have to create a Unity build configuration right now. So let's do that right now. Okay, here, so we are just going to do the creation of that. Okay, if you take a look at this part, we only have two build configurations. But right now, I want to click Manage Configuration so that I can create a new configuration. Okay, again, click this Manage Configurations, and then you are going to be able to see two here. We click New, and then we just type Unity. And it will be created based on the existing configuration, because for the debug configuration, we have set up the paths already for the include files, so that we are just going to get started with this one here. We don't have to do the setup anymore. Okay, click OK. Okay, and then we have this new configuration set up already. You see here, okay, you can see it. Right now, I have to click this because I need to include, I need to add a symbol, okay, a symbol. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, just click symbols, still Unity here. We're just going to add a new symbol called a unit test. Do not check anything here because I only want this symbol to be defined for the Unity, this build, not the other build. Unit underscore test. Okay, so this will be the symbol we define. Okay, you see here we have this defined here. Okay, apply, and then yes. Okay, if you build right now, you don't have anything yet because we haven't hooked up the files yet. Okay, you don't have anything. But right now it's time for our tour. Let me see. Okay, no question yet. Okay, let me include all those files first. Just make it a little bit smaller. So this, make it a little bit smaller so that I can see both. Okay, I have to include the files in the library folder. Always choose only the C files. Click, okay, and then hold the Control key and then click. Okay, you have a two C files checked. Okay, and then just going to drag that into this specific folder. Release, link to files. This is good. Just click OK. And then you can see that we have two files included already. And then we have to include the other files. Go to the source, okay, and then check everything here. Use the same technique, okay. And then we have everything here, and then release. Okay, so we drag those three files here and then link to them already. And then the final one will be the test file. Okay, so the test file, just click that and drag it to here as well. Okay, so we have everything dragged here already. Okay, right now we just need to have the hook function embedded. The hook function has to be embedded into the main file, okay, the main.c file. Okay, click this open, click this user, double click main.c. Okay, right now, because we don't need that, so I can make it bigger. Okay, right now, if you go down, this is the one, let's say we just close everything. Just close everything, redo that one more time. Double click. No, it doesn't work. Double click. Okay. Go down. Okay. You see here, you always will be able to find the main function. Okay, go down a little bit, and then you're going to be able to see the hardware initialization part. And then we just need to type void microprocessor main. So this is the prototype of our function, our main function. And then we just run that. So that's it. This will be the hook function. And then we just need to press Control C. Okay. If you take a look this one here, if you take a look at this MP main, you're able to see that we have two different build configurations. So that, sorry about that. Okay, two different executables. One executable will be doing this MP Unity. The other executable will be doing MP app. Okay. Which one will be built is totally dependent on this one here. So let's say if we have a unit test defined, and then we are just going to be building this unit test. If we don't have this unit test defined, we are just going to be building this app. Okay, this is this part is defined by this. Okay, because in Unity in that build we have that symbol defined. You see here. Right now I'm using debug, and then this is not defined. Automatically we are going to be building this one here. On the other hand, if I choose Unity, and then you see here, so this is active because we do have this defined, and then we are going to be able to build this one here because automatically it's building, and I have everything hooked up already, so that's got built, and then there's no error. Look where you add the symbols and okay, 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 good. Let's go back. And next time just yell. Okay, so if you yell, so I can react a little bit quick. Okay, so you see here, so these are the folders. Okay, the folder at the very beginning it was empty. I had to drag everything. I mean all those files into that folder. Okay, into that folder. Drag everything, release, and link. Okay, but right now because I have everything linked already, so I just need to click cancel. Okay, so that is this part. Okay, so for the creation of this part, we have to go to this. Okay. You see here that this is the title of this whole project. Okay, right click that. Okay, if you want to create that folder, go to new folder, and then type the folder name. Okay, type the folder name. Let's say this will be lib src, and then finish because I do have that already. You see here it exists already, so I couldn't do that. Okay, just cancel that. Okay, if you want to define the symbols, we do this the same thing here. Right click and then go to properties. Go to property. Go to general. Go to pattern symbol. Go to drag it a little bit wider. Okay, you see here we are able to see the include this part. Okay, for this include part, we are just going to be able to add those two folders. Okay, let's see, try that. Okay, check for all the build configurations. Okay, just click OK. But because we had that already, I don't have to do it one more time. Okay, and then if you want to include a new build configuration, just do this. Okay, just manage, and then you can have a new. Let's say, let's just say that. Let's try to build a new here. Let's say a new. We have a Unity solution. Okay, and then right now I want to everything get inherited from the Unity one here. You see, this from the Unity because this is set up already, and then I'm just going to be doing OK, and then this OK. If you check this part, you're going to be able to see that I do have one more. And right now, so I can, let's say I want to create a new symbol for this one here. I can just go to symbol. Right now, because this is the inherited from the Unity, so I do have this already. Just say I want to have another one. Okay. Unit test. Unit test solution. Just say that. Okay. And then I can just create that. Okay. Don't press anything here because we only want this to be specifically designed for this. Okay. And then you don't have that. All right. Okay. Just choose. Yes. Okay. You see here, so we have everything. I mean, all those files within this folder already. And I don't remember if I built that already. Okay, anyway, let's say rebuild this Unity and then rebuild that if I wanted. And then right now, I can run this code. Okay, right now I can go this, let me see, go to my folder. Go to my folder and then go back. Okay, go back here. and then go to this specific folder and right click on Renode and open in terminal. Okay, this opened up in the terminal. Okay, right now I can see the file. So this will be the one we're going to be running. The run Renode. Okay, Renode is okay. We have the Renode monitor right now. You can use the add start, add Unity, and then we can use the tab key so that right. What does that mean here? Sorry about that. This should be a lowercase. Hmm. Okay, so we have two errors. The reason we have two errors because the last class I changed the code. Okay, I changed the code. Okay, let me copy the original code back and then we rewrite it. It's just going to be three errors. Okay, okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, here, so if I go back to Cube IDE, and I'm just going to double click this one. Just trying to be able to see that this is different than what I was doing here. Okay, right now I'm just copy this back. Okay, this is the one I gave you. Okay, let's say we're just gonna Control S, save that, rebuild. You see here, still Unity, rebuild. Okay, this is done. Okay. Okay, I was pressing up arrow, read, right one more time. You see here, I do have a three. The previously it was the one here. Yeah, I couldn't find that because I have too many open up. I can just clean this up. Okay, but anyway, so you see here, you're gonna 1 second. You see here, yeah, you have three errors. Okay. So basically, so that is the creation of the whole project and setup for the project, and you're going to be working on the code step by step, so that you're going to be getting rid of all the errors. So you're going to have zero failures, and then you are done with this part of the program. Okay, so get started. So if you have any questions, ask, and then if you see any errors, and then I can give you a share of the screen so that you can share the screen. I can help you to figure out what's going on. Okay. And that's going to be cleaning up everything here. Okay, just get started. So whatever question you have, just ask. You can use the chat or you can just use the microphone.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Look.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you right. Yeah, there's some echoes. Are you in the room with some other student using the same program?
We're all in the classroom.
Yeah, it's muted.
Okay, so basically you have to turn off some of the microphones.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. No echo. So I was trying to build my project and I just got a ton of errors.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to figure out if I missed a step, like if there was a library that was supposed to be imported.
Okay. So it's a easier way. I'm going to give you a share the screen so you can share the screen and then we can take a look at that part. Okay.
Are you sharing your screen or you want me to?
Yeah, I want you to share, but I have to find where are you in the list of the student. Okay. Sorry, it's going to take a little time. So are you using your one second, let me see. Okay, I found you. Okay. Okay, you can share your screen right now.
I am unable to share my screen on my laptop.
Yeah, even on laptop you can share your screen. I right
Zoom
now.
is not allowing me to share my screen.
Bring your laptop up there so you
want to
can
make
talk.
sure he has the right name. But he has to click to allow person.
Yeah, I gave the power to share with Elizabeth Fruit. So are you using this one?
Oh, yeah, you gave it. You
Do you-
your name.
Can you give Luke Morrow screen sharing permissions?
Yeah. Give me 1 second. Look, tomorrow. Okay.
Is anyone else having any issues or it's just me?
I'm behind, so.
Yeah, it's catching up.
Okay, look, you can share your screen right now.
Yes.
Okay, so
Where you just launched the project, just asking where it's.
Whoa, I'm copying it.
I got through that already, but I didn't have any issues with it.
Okay, you have 9 errors. Okay, one second. Okay, let's take a look to see what are those 9 errors first. Okay.
I can't unzip the file.
Okay, first, okay. Let's go back a little bit. Okay, go and click your File Explorer. Okay, File Explorer. Let me see the go down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me take a look at the structure of this whole thing here. Okay. So far so good. Okay. Okay. This looks good. Oh, 1 second. 1 second. No, this is yeah. 1 second. So I'm not sure if this is good or not. Okay. The reason is this. Okay. You see. Reason,
I'm not finding the underscore source.
Oh, okay, so that's in here, right here. You're dragging the ones from here to,
That makes sense.
so from right.
okay. The reason I'm saying it's not may not be that good because you have let's say one as you have a hyphen files.
You might find
Files the ones I was giving you is that for the project, and then this may not work as a project as a file name because sometimes this will be interpreted as a minus sign. Okay, and for you, if you can do me a favor, you remove that minus the hyphen thing here. You have to change 1 second. You cannot do that right now. Okay, sorry,
Okay.
but you cannot do that right now. Okay, go back to your file. Okay, go back to the sorry, but go back to your Cube IDE. Okay, and then right now you have to remove this whole thing here. Okay, just delete.
Outside of the track.
delete,
This one?
Into the project, and then put it where it was.
delete, okay, and then can close OK. Okay, go back to your File Explorer. Okay, double click this. Okay, double click. No, sorry, but double click and go into that first.
Oh,
Okay, remove everything except the ones you just copied. Remove, no, not this one here. Remove the generated files. Yeah, remove everything, yes. And then, yes, and then change this, okay, yes, remove that and that hyphen thing, yeah. Okay, this is the best, okay, good. Yeah, go back. Go back one level, yeah, change this as well.
So those are the files,
Yeah, yes, okay, good.
And
And
you-
then
and you're already in project complete.
you have it open somewhere probably.
Why isn't this, think this is it, this is what you're looking for. Then I would rename this to just remove the files and then you should be good.
Visiting the MX.
What do you mean? It doesn't
Okay.
have IOC, it's not supposed to.
No, you don't have to change this anymore. You can do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna change it anyways.
See from somewhere else.
Okay.
In the folder. Yeah, just copy it, or don't drag.
Yeah, just double click that, yes, yeah. Regenerate the whole thing.
mm-hmm. Might want to take this opportunity to show everyone else how to build the project because I think some other people might have also fallen behind.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
What happened? What was the issue with yours?
I gotta rebuild the project.
I'll rename, was it a naming issue?
Yeah.
Yeah, there could be a naming issue because we have to get to that possibility, and then we can just take a look to see what's going on. Yeah. So, anyone else you have any other troubles?
What are we supposed to do once we get through Renode? Yeah, I got Renode opened up and I've got the project all set up. I don't know what it is.
You able to build?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to come up here and ask him?
Click OK right now.
Do you still need help or no?
I'm just gonna follow the steps again.
Okay. Sure. I wait.
I'll stop sharing. You can ask your question.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, just work on that and then share it back again. Yeah. Who else had some troubles?
I had a question.
Yeah.
So
you
when
want screen?
yeah, I share my screen.
Yeah, just give me one second.
Yeah, let me know when you give me permissions.
Yeah, and the other thing that I couldn't find you very quickly. Okay, right now, okay, I found that. Okay, share your screen.
Okay.
Are you sharing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So I built it and I got an error. I don't know if it shows it. I built it again and it fixed it, but not until after I removed the hook.
No, you have to have your hook. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I had it built. I built it like this. So watch. I think if I build it, it'll probably give me an error. See, it gives me this error.
It's
and
okay.
This line is problematic.
Yeah, but let's take a look at this whole thing here. Okay. Okay. Go down. Click open. Okay. No. To the left panel. To the left. Okay. Go. Open up. Leave SRC. Open up. Go down. Yes. Open that up. Okay. You do have that. Okay. Give me 1 second. No, you miss one function, I think, called underscore mp underscore main .c. Copy that from whatever. Okay,
Oh.
you know what I mean?
Okay, yeah, it's in the source, right?
Yeah, just copy that.
Okay. Okay, I think I was missing that. Okay. Maybe.
Yeah, just one more time.
Okay. Mm.
Build one more time. No, you don't have to, yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go. Yeah, sure. Let me take a look at the new chat. Okay, I think the one is Catherine. Okay, the one the trouble you had, I think it was pretty much like the one we just saw that. Okay, Andy, you go to 1 second. Okay, no, the one. Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah, I can share my screen.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Okay, share your screen right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Okay. Yeah, I know what is the trouble. The trouble is that you don't have the test file yet. Okay, you have to drag the test file into this folder as well.
Okay. Where do I drag the test file into?
You go. Okay, let's say make this a little bit smaller. Okay, make this window. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, can you stop sharing? Let me share my screen and show you that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, right now let me share my screen. Okay, you see here, so you see here, I do have this test file and the way to the dragging of this one is this. Okay, 1 second, just click too much. Here, I have the test folder. Go to this one here. You're going to be able to find that and then drag it here. Okay. Because I have it, so I'm just going to click cancel. If you compare mine with yours, I do have this test file, but you don't have that.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Any other troubles? I'll show how to find the IOC file. Okay. So IOC file. Let me share my screen. So basically, whatever project, let's say this one here. You're going to be able to have an IOC file. Just copy this and put into your folder. Good enough. Okay. So the name doesn't have to be an environment name, doesn't really matter because we have to save into the new file name. Sure.
The library?
Hey, it's Luke again.
Yeah.
I'm still having trouble compiling or building the.
Yeah. Can you share your screen?
Sure.
Oh, no. Yeah, because I was having error.
Never
so I
gets-
had to have it to let it run.
Zoom out.
Okay. Let me take a look. How many errors do you have?
About
Okay.
9.
What are the errors? Are they ant errors?
I'm not getting errors, I was having trouble finding the thing because it's like.
Okay, one second. Okay, so let's say
Errors?
let's click the window of that. Okay, that editor window. Go
I'm
on.
having the same
Look.
problem. I had
Hmm?
to remove
The errors?
No,
Yeah.
go up.
one
Mhm.
for
Go into that file and add the STD.
Yeah, you can move, move your cursor up. Okay, yeah, this one here. Yeah, okay, go up a little bit. Yes, you got to have this one here. Okay, let's try it. Okay.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think someone else is having that same error. If you want to tell him what.
I didn't get the error when I built it.
I don't know why some people are and some people aren't. Someone else just said they had 9 errors and I'm guessing.
Are you building in Unity or?
So apparently, a couple people in the classroom also had this problem,
Get ready to-
and how we were
Okay.
able to fix it was just out of this.
Yeah, okay. And probably this is the setup of the IDE thing here. Yeah, on my side, I usually if I use that, I have to include that. But give me 1 second. Let me take a look at mine. Okay, so that should be okay. But go ahead. Yeah, just go ahead do the other part. Yeah.
Mhm.
Let me take a look at mine. See.
I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
But
Although he has it
in those folders to get the limit of the source.
We just put.
Yeah, it is weird. I didn't have that line. It compiled. Yeah. But anyway, sorry about that. So this could be an installation issue, but this is not our problem. This is just going to be the setup of the system. As long as we know this problem, we're going to be able to handle that very easily. Yeah. The question is, will the recording of this lecture be posted later today? So I'm just going to be receiving, because I didn't do the recording. Some student did the recording. So if I receive the links from those students, I can make a little bit editing. So otherwise, I can make some short videos about the steps we're using. Okay, so we're going to be able to have those online today. Okay, so if you want to stay here to work on the project, you're welcome. Otherwise, you can leave. Time is up for the class. Okay, thank you very much.